We gotta get robbed today.
Yep, West Marine.
Yep. Let's go get robbed. We'll show you some prices of some of this stuff. It's ridiculous. Look at my keys up and going. Oh, grab my drink. I want to take that with me. There you go. We finally made it to Florida. You're gonna see the boat tomorrow. It's pretty dirty. She ain't seen it yet. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty dirty. There's a guy here that works here before, where we used to live there in Osage Beach, Missouri. He moved here to Clearwater. We'll go check him out.
My hair still ain't.
Man, the prices are nuts. See how much stuff I bought? See my bag?
Yeah. It's ridiculous.
Off to the Clearwater boat yard. We're going to Academy to get cleaning supplies. And I cleaned the car too. The car looks nice. The palm trees at the Academy.
Hi.
Yeah, so we'll come back in a minute. What you got? Show the bag. Had to get a sun shirt. That Florida sun's bright.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's hot.
No, it's not hot.
The sun is hot.
Got distracted. Go first. Should beat me in checkers.
Yep. Keep his butt.
Keep my butt in checkers. Sarah. What's the... That's yours.
Mm-hmm.
That's what... Oh, yes. We ate.
Yes.
And we ate. And we ate.
Some really
Here
good.
at the mall in Clearwater?
Yeah.
The Clearwater, Florida mall. What was the name of the place? I can't remember.
Perry's Barbecue.
Asian cuisine.
Asian Grill.
Asian Grill. It was awesome.
Yeah. It
Really
was good.
awesome.
Thumbs up.
Yeah, this is our last day to do whatever we got to do or whatever we want to do, because we got to go to the boat tomorrow, and it's going to be a disaster. It's going to be a disaster.
Yep.
Let's cross the fire lane here. There's security. Oh, he's letting us through. Hell yeah. It looks like it might rain.
Sunset.
Yeah.
You can see a little bit.
I just waxed my car too. It's gonna rain. It's gonna make me mad. Make me mad.
I told you it was gonna rain.
Palm trees.
Yep.
My favorite. I like the Cuban Royals. They're my favorite. Wasn't gonna walk around, but it goes all the way around. Like another 200-300 yards.
It's not over.
Place is huge. I guess we'll go through the Dick's Sporting Goods store. This is the Cuban Royal palm trees right there. They're my favorite anyway, so we could walk by them. Right there. I've always liked those. They get really big.
Uh-huh.
They get really big.
I like how the palms are. They're
Yeah,
pretty.
these things are actually pretty small.
They're really pretty.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, there's where we parked. Oh man, I ate way too much.
Yeah, I feel like very
I'm
tired.
stuffed. Anyways, we're turning in for the night, so it's been a good day today. Did a lot of messing around. Don't forget to subscribe down below and check out our Patreon. I would like to get some Patreon members. Anything you want to say before we turn in for the night?
Bye, guys. Good night.
No,
I'm
I
tired.
guess that's what she's doing. That's what she's going to do. So
I'm tired. It's been
yeah,
a long
so
day.
subscribe and
Yep.
because
Subscribe.
it helps us out in a big way. So
Subscribe,
we're going to go to
like,
the boat
share.
tomorrow, and it's going to be a disaster. So
Yeah.
make sure you tune in for that video next week.
I haven't seen the boat yet, and he says it's bad. So.
Yeah, it was. It looks good on the outside, but you can definitely tell it's been setting for a minute. So it needs to be cleaned up. All right, stay salty, my friends.